Android Studio is the one piece of software that you need from this course. It's made by Google and it includes both a development environment and a simulator so that you can actually see the results of your apps that you've been building right there on your machine. It's easier than ever to install and doesn't require any extra software to run, unlike previous versions of Android Studio. So to get it, just go to developer.android.com/studio and that will take you to this page where you can click the nice big green Download Android Studio button. So agree to the terms and conditions and then click to download. You can save the downloaded file wherever you like. I'll just save it here in my downloads folder. Now it's a pretty big file, so depending on your internet speed, it might take a little while to download. So go make yourself a cup of tea and come back when it's done. And that's now finished downloading. So I'm going to find it in my downloads folder and double click on the file that's been downloaded. This will then run the installation process for you and it should do everything that you need to set up Android Studio. Okay, so that's now completed. So we click next and then start Android Studio. I'll assume that you don't have a previous version of Android Studio. If you do, just select that first option and it will import all of your settings from that version. And then we begin with the wizard that will take us through the setup process. So just click next. And I'd go for the standard option. And the default options there. We'll be setting up our virtual devices ourselves later on, so we can leave that unchecked. And then click finish, and it will go through the process of downloading and installing each of those. And there we go. Now that downloading and setup is completed, and we're welcomed to Android Studio and ready to start building apps, which is exactly what we'll be doing in the next video.